So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a presentation using ChatGPT. So first, go over to ChatGPT and type in your prompt something along the lines of, give me the content for a presentation about the future of cars and automobiles. Spread it across 5 slides. Then ChatGPT will generate the information or the general outline for your presentation. Now we want ChatGPT to generate the entire presentation itself, not just the outline. So go ahead and type generate content for all points and send. Now ChatGPT has generated all the information for our presentation. Now once you have this, click on the copy button, or you can select the text manually and hit Ctrl+C. Then once you have your text copied, open your browser and go to word.new. Here you'll have to sign in to your Microsoft account. Now, once you have this page open, go ahead and paste your text here. So now what you're going to want to do is make sure that the title is the first line of the document. Then, once you have this, click on File, click on Export, and export to PowerPoint presentation. Now here some themes will be automatically generated for you, and you can just select one of your choice. If you don't see one that you like, you can just click on See More Themes and select one of your preference. Now I'll select this and click on Export. Now once the export is done, click on Open Presentation. And as you can see, the presentation has been generated for us. Now, to improve the quality of this presentation, you're going to want to go ahead and open this in your actual PowerPoint app. Now, once you're on the app, you have further options for customizability. So as you can see here, we're missing some text and a picture or anything like that. So we can go ahead and fix this on the app. Now, once you're done customizing your text and images, go to View and Slide Master. Now here what you can do is change the font styles for all the text on the presentation. So you can do this by clicking on Fonts and click on Customize Fonts. Now change the fonts to something that you prefer. Then close out of Master View. And just like that, the presentation is done. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to generate your entire PowerPoint presentation. If you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned with more videos on tutorials, tips, or tricks on presentations. Stay tuned.